If you want to see which of your customers are the ones who buy the most to possibly send them some special discounts through emails, and which ones have not bought anything to apply different sales strategies or to delete them from your database, you'll have to spend many hours or even days if you have thousands of customers, and you have to check them all one by one with WooCommerce. To help you turn those days or hours into a few minutes, we will show you how to filter and export the information of your customers depending on how many times they buy in your store. This will be possible because we will use WP Sheet Editor's User's Spreadsheet plugin. This plugin helps you easily find and edit lots of users and products with its powerful search and bulk edit tools. We'll leave the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. You'll also find the link to our written guide. The first thing you can do is find all the emails of those customers who haven't purchased anything. And this will be possible using the search tool. Once the tool is open, let's select the customer role. Then enable the advanced filters. Select the orders count as the field key. Leave the operator equal and enter 0 as the value. Lastly, run the search and all the customers that haven't purchased anything from your store will be displayed. A loyal customer can be categorized in different ways, but in this research, we will say that it is the one who has purchased more than 3 times from our store. So to find our loyal customers, we will open the search tool. Now select the role customer and tickle here to do an advanced search. Here, select the orders count field. Choose the equal or higher operator and enter the number 3 as the value. Finally, run the search and the information of all our most loyal customers will be displayed. If after filtering your customers by the number of times they have purchased, you want to create an external database with their emails, you can select and copy the content of the email column and then simply paste it into another document or wherever you need it. If you don't want to export users' emails copying from the spreadsheet, you can use the plugin's export tool. Here, we'll select to export only the email column, but you can export all the columns you need. Then, select the app you'll use to edit the file and export the file. This is an example of how your CSV file will look like. Filtering and exporting information has never been as easy as it is now with the WP Sheet Editor's User's Spreadsheet plugin. Remember that you will find the link to download this plugin in the video description, as well as the link to review our written guide. We have live chat support on our website in case you need extra help. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.